Welcome to aminacademy.com. In quantitative aptitude for many competitive exams, let us do some solving problem regarding number system. Look at these questions. Between two distinct rational numbers a and b, there exists another rational number which is here a rational numbers between two rational numbers of a and b is this. First, we'll take the average of that numbers, that is a plus b by 2 is any rational number between these two things. Here a by 2 is not possible because it may be less than, it is less than, a, it is less than b. This is product is more than a and b. Between them is this. So option D. Here b is greater than a, then which expression will have the highest value? Suppose take b is greater than, so b is 5 and a is 3. Here a and b, which expression will have the highest value? Then a and b are positive. So what is the a minus b? A minus b is 1. AB is 2 into 3, 6, and a plus b 2 plus 3, 5, and so we can see here this AB is the highest. Further, you can also that one. And if we take some other, so further, this is not enough to decide. Further, so here B is greater than A is given. So A is lesser than B, which implies A minus B. A minus B is lesser than 0. Since a and b are both positive integers, we have a plus b is greater than, of course, a plus b is greater than 0 because both are positive integer, and ab greater than 0. Here a is 1, b is 2. For example, a equal to 1, b is 2. We have a plus b is 3 is greater than 0, and ab is 2 into 1 is 2 is greater than 0. If a is 2, b is 3. Already we have b is 2, a is 3, but here a is 2, b is 3, then a plus b is 2 plus 3 is 5, but ab we have ab is 6. So here ab is greater. Before that, thus we cannot say a plus b and ab has the highest value. So this option D we cannot say. Then next question. Look at this. If Look at this, if a 0 is lesser than x lesser than 1. Which of the following is the greatest? Here, here it says x is positive because it's greater than 0, and it's also x is lesser than 1 means it is a fraction lesser than 1 or decimal lesser than 1. Suppose x square is fraction is that is proper fraction, that is suppose x equal to half. Take it here, x equal to half because it says it is greater than 0 and lesser than 1. The square both is equal to 1 by 4. But x is half, x square is 1 by 4. In that 1 by x, what is 1 by x? 1 by x equal to 2, and 1 by x square to 1 by x square is 1 by 4. So here, so this is the greatest. So here, next one, look at this equation. Here 13 equal 13w over 1 minus w. Here both it's 1. Both side is same number. Then by cross multiplying, 1 minus w equal to w. Then 1 equal to 2w, collecting that side, which gives w equal to half. Check one more time. Here 2w is quite needed. So not w. We need w equal to half, then 2w whole square. 2 into half whole square equal to 1 square is 1. So option C. Which of the following is not a prime number? Here, look at this. Here, the 21 is a composite number because 21 can be split as 3 into 7. It's not a prime. 23 and 29 and 43. Here, 21 is not a prime. Other things, 23 cannot be expressed as two factors other than 1, and 29 also, 43 also. So, our option is A. Next question. The smallest value of natural number n for which 2n plus 1 is not a prime number. So, we have to give some values first. Look at this. Putting n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, n equal to first 1. That is 2 into 1 plus 1 equal to 3. It's a prime. N equal to 2. 2 into 2 plus 1, 5. N equal to 3. 2 into 3 plus 1, 7. It's a prime. N equal to 4. 24 plus 1 equal to 9, which is not a prime. He says the smallest value of natural number n where that result of 2n plus 1 is not a prime. So n equal to 4. N equal, 4 is our answer. That is B. Option B. Next question. The smallest three-digit prime number is? Here, clearly you know that 100 is divisible by 2. So 100 is not a prime because 100 is even also. Now 100 is first. 100 is not a prime. Next one is 101. 101 is lesser than 11 square. The prime number less than 11 are therefore the prime number less than 11 are 2, 3, 5, 7. 8 is not a prime, 9 is not a prime, 10 is not a prime, 11. So these are the prime number less than 11. In that, what they are asking that the smallest three-digit prime is here. Therefore, 101 is there. So we can decide 101 is the prime number next to 100. That is prime number that is not divisible. 101 is not divisible by these numbers 2, 3, 5, 7. Therefore, hence the 101 is the smallest three-digit prime number. Here, one more time listen here. How to decide any number is not a prime? First, you have to take nearest to that number, nearest that number little greater than that given number. So 100 here 100 is not a prime. 101 is lesser than of course 11 square. 11 square is 121. So from therefore we can decide the prime numbers less than 11 or 2, 3, 5, 7. In that we have to these are the not divisible. 2, 3, 5, 7 is not divisible by not 101 is not divisible by these numbers. Therefore, 101 is the prime. Next question. The sum of three prime numbers is 100. If one of them is exceeds by 36, then one of the prime number is here. This. Let required prime numbers. Let let the prime numbers. Required prime number is x. X, Y, and other one is exceeds 36. That is Y plus 36. These are addition. Like these are prime number equal to 100. So 2Y plus X equal 100 minus 36 is 64. So suppose X is 2. First, suppose X, the first prime is at X equal to 2. Therefore, 2Y plus 2 equal to 64. Then 2y equal to 62 because minus 2, then y equal to 31. So 31 is the prime. So we have from that get y. X is what now? X is x equal 64 minus 2y by 2y. 64 minus 2 into y is what? Y is 31. 64 minus 62, it is 2. So we got x is 2 already. So therefore the prime, then one of the number is therefore one of the number in we have, therefore we have x and y. We have x is 31, y is 31. So the prime number is 2, 3100. Prime numbers are 2, 31. That is 2 plus 31 is, another is 36 increase, that is 67. All addition is 100. So one of them is here, option is, we got 67. Here we have the prime 2, 31 and 67. One of them is here 67. Option D. Your next question. What is the first value of n for which n squared plus n plus 41 is not a prime? So suppose we are substituting n equal to 1. N equal to 1 means what is n squared plus n plus 41? That is 1 squared plus 1 plus 41 equal 43. So which is the prime? Then n equal to 2, n equal to 1 we are substituting, n equal to 10 we are substituting next, because from the answers options 10, that is 100 plus 10 plus 41, 151. 151 is a prime. N equal to 20, n equal to 20, it is 400 plus 20 plus 41, 461. 461, this is a prime. N equal to 40. 40 is 1600 plus 40 plus 41. 1681. 1681. Which is it is not a prime. Which is because it is divisible by 41, therefore not prime. So n equal to 40 is the option. Next question. Here 136 about this. Next question. Here 136 plus into 12 into 8, it can be written as, look at here, 136 into 12 into 8. 12 into 8 is 96. This 96 can be written as, for simplification of multiplication, 100 minus 4. 100 minus 4, 1 here, which is equal 136 double 0 and 6. 136 multiplied by 4 is 20. 2 6 are 4 6 are 24. 2 carries 4 3s are 12, 14, 14 1 carries, 4 ones are 4, 5. Then subtraction gives 13056, 13056. Option C. So far we discussed some questions regarding quantitative aptitude. If you have done, please subscribe our YouTube channel.